Imagine waking up in a new European city, knowing you have secured a stable job and you didn't need a fancy degree or special qualifications to get it. Sounds like a fantasy, but it's not. We have found real people who have made it happen, working in Europe in so-called unskilled roles. In this video, you will meet them, learn how they did it, and get practical tips on how you could follow in their footsteps. The myth of unskilled work. First, let's clear up the big myth. Unskilled doesn't mean useless. In fact, Europe needs these roles badly. There are huge labor shortages in essential sectors like hospitality, agriculture, tourism, and elder care. These jobs don't always demand technical degrees. What matters more is soft skills and the willingness to learn. Employers in Europe are actively looking for non-specialized workers to fill seasonal and long-term roles. Tasks like harvesting, working in hotels, or caregiving. Because of this demand, unskilled workers from outside the EU can actually find realistic job chances. Real stories of unexpected success. Let's meet some real people. Sonia. She moved from her small town in India to Germany. She started as a dishwasher in a restaurant. Over time, she became a kitchen assistant. She didn't have a degree, but she had a strong work ethic and she learned on the job. Murat. He came to France from Turkey. No experience, but landed a job in a vineyard. He learns everything on the job: how to pick grapes, maintain wines, and help in wine production. He embraced country life and built good relationships with his team. These kinds of stories shows that you don't need a high-powered degree. Sometimes you just need persistence, honesty, and a good attitude towards work. How they did it. Practical tactics. So how did these workers get into Europe? Here's what helped. Use the right job portals. Look for European-specific sites and seasonal work boards. Use EURES or national job portals. Sometimes local Facebook or WhatsApp groups help. Learn basic language. Simple phrases in German, French, or Spanish make a big difference. Language apps helps a lot. Employers appreciate the effort. Start with small contracts or volunteering. Taking seasonal or temporary work helps you build a track record. Even volunteering in care or hospitality can open doors to paid roles later. Be patient and willing to learn. Show up on time, work hard, be friendly. Bosses notice, and that can lead to more permanent roles. Visa, accommodation, and adaptation. Applying isn't always simple, but many European countries do allow non-EU workers to get seasonal or general work permits. Seasonal worker visas. Many EU countries allow third country workers to come for up to 9 months within a contract. You will need a work contract, valid passport, health insurance, and proof of where you're gonna live. Once you arrive, finding affordable accommodations through shared flats, hostels, or employer-provided housing can help you. To adapt, be ready for a new culture. Make local friends, join community groups, or expat forums. Your roadmap, how you can do it. Here are your next steps. Identify your skills. Even if you think you are unskilled, think of what you can do. Cleaning, caring, working hard, being reliable. These are valuable skills. Choose target countries. Research which European countries have labor shortages. For example, Greece, Bulgaria, Romania, or Poland, and where seasonal visas are common. Prepare your application. Get your documents in order. Passport, proof of work readiness, health insurance. Use the right platforms. Try EURES, job boards, and local recruiter networks. Plan your move. look up cost of living, where to stay, and how to adapt. Stay connected. Join online groups of migrant workers, expat, or unskilled workers in Europe. You will learn a lot from them. Why this matters? Unskilled work in Europe is not a last option. It can be a powerful path to a brighter future for you. These jobs are real, in demand, and can lead to stable living, good income, and growth. If these real stories taught us anything, it's that willingness, persistence, and little research can unlock huge opportunities. If this video inspired you, like, subscribe, and comment below with your dream country of job. Let's make your European adventure reality.